Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I just wanted to come on real quick and do a little Amazon haul for you guys. I just kind of replaced a few things, basic supplies that I use for journal making, and just wanted to come on here and show you guys right quick. The first thing I have is one of my favorite glues, and I really don't know how to pronounce it. It's coquina, but this glue is from Amazon. It is really good and it smells wonderful. It has an almond scent. It smells so good. Another thing is the Uhu glue stick. I got the magic blue this time. I've just recently been having trouble seeing where I'm gluing, so a lot of people can't say they can't use the blue. There's something about it that bugs them, but it doesn't bother me. It works. I like it, so I use it. Another thing that I needed to kind of restock on is my Fray Check. I usually get the small bottles of it by Dritz, I believe. But I decided to try this Aleene's. It's a bigger bottle, and I thought, why not? Aleene's is really good with everything else that I've ever tried. I broke my scallop punch, so I got a new one. This is from EK Success or EK Tools or whatever they're calling themselves now. This is the 2-inch, and I really like it. So I've got a bunch of their paper punches, so I had to get a new one. Another thing that I broke was my Dymo, I call them retro label makers. I don't know what I did to it. I have no idea. I've had it for years, and I just couldn't get it to actually advance the tape through. So I got a new one. Got a pretty pink one, and it's by Fomimo. I guess that's how you say that. But I'll let you guys know how that is working out for me. Another thing I got, this is my third one of these from We Are Makers or We Are Memory Keepers. It's their oops, got a craft-a-lanch going on over here. It's their accessory storage box, and the way it works is you turn it like that, and it opens up. This part also opens up, but you can put all your little doodads in here. I have a white one. I have this one now, and I have the smaller that they call the mini, the pink one. And you just turn it to open it, turn it to close it, and it's real lightweight. I actually have my white one sitting on a cake stand. I don't know, it just kind of looks like a cake. But anyway, have that. And like I said, the other two are full. You can put beads, you can put any kind of little findings, any, just anything, whatever will fit in here. You can put, paper, ephemera, buttons, whatever. But I really, really like the other two that I have. So I've been wanting this green color for a while, so I went ahead and picked that up. I have one more thing over here. This is called the Works All-in-One Tool, and it's by We Are Memory Keepers. Now, hold on, let me move this. Okay, sorry about that. I don't have room over here. I've been thinking about getting a new paper trimmer forever. I have my Fiskars trimmer that I think I bought this in 2015 or 16, and it works great. I really like that it has the wire that shows you exactly where you're cutting, but it's just, I just, you know, I was wanting to replace it because I had another one. I had a spare one, and I think it was a Recollections brand, and I dropped it and broke it. So I didn't have a spare. And so I decided, well, I've been looking at this one through We Are Makers for a while. And so I decided to go ahead and get it. It was a great price on Amazon. Like on the We Are Makers website, this is $98. And I think this was less than or more than half that on Amazon. But it's actually what they call a 12-in-1 tool. It's a trimmer. It's a, let's see, it's a trimmer, scoreboard, envelope punch, tab punch, tag punch, a pom-pom maker, a tassel maker, a bow maker, a stamp tool, and a banner maker. Can you believe that? All of those things. And it comes with a real handy instruction booklet. I'm not going to demonstrate it, but I'll just kind of show you a little bit about it here. This is the stamp maker. It goes on here. It's a stamp, hold your stamps. So what you do is you put your, let's see, it has the magnets here. This is magnetic. You put your paper down. Let's just put this. Put your paper down. This holds your paper. You take this, you put your stamp on here, then put your stamp back on there, and then you press just like that, and it's, you know, you can press over and over, and it gets it, you know, the same thing. If you want to make tags or, you know, whatever, they're in the same spot. You know, it's really cool. And this you can just take off. I will probably put this in with all my stamps. Just put it in there and store it in there so it doesn't, you know, fall off of here or whatever. But it has the grid lines on here, which is really nice. These move. This is the scoreboard part here. It has your measurements. Tells you where you put your tag, your envelope, your banner when you go to do that. This, you can actually turn this over and it stops your paper when you do your tags or whatever. And then this part will let your paper slide under. It's has a measurements here. Goes up to 14 inches. Can y'all see that? This is a corner rounder, so you can use it for an envelope punch, but you can also just use it for a corner rounder. This is your tag punch. Let me turn it this way. Your tag punch, and it has the center, the 0 center, so you just center your tag, punch your hole. This one is for the tabs on if you want to do like little file folder type things. There's that. It has the storage. Am I in frame? It has the storage slot for the bone folder for scoreboard. It has these. Let's see if I can get it out. These go here for your they actually come apart, but these are for your tassel, for your pom-pom maker, and for your bow maker. And these, it tells you in the little booklet where to put each one depending on what size you want. And then they store real handy in here. And let's see, under here is the guide for the banner maker, the envelope maker, and the tag maker. And it shows you, it tells you, you know, the directions are pretty straightforward. It tells you where to put them. This is for your tab, your envelope. You're going to put over here. In your banner, you're going to turn that way and cut. And it's just, it's real handy. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to. And I went ahead and wrote on the bottom, can you see that? I went ahead and wrote the blade. So whenever I get ready to buy a replacement blade, I won't be clueless to what the number is on there. So anyway, I think that's all I was going to show you on this little haul. Just a little Amazon little haul I did. But I was real excited about this, the Works tool. And I'll do a video later demonstrating all of it. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I appreciate y'all being here and clicking on the video. If you can like it and comment. Let me know if you like the brand We Are Makers, because I absolutely love them. I keep telling myself I'm going to do a video just on all the products I have from that company. And this is not sponsored by them in any way. I buy all of it. Anyway, just want to share this with you guys. And like I said, I appreciate y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.